Bellaz to my channel and my very first video. How about we start on how I prepare my eyebrows and eye base for my makeup looks. First, I'm going to draw on the eyebrows starting at the base of them. After that, I will draw the top of my brows. Once I'm done, I'm going to fill them in and apply less pressure as I'm making my way towards the front for a fading effect. Then, with my finger, I will kind of swipe the front of my brows to blur it out. Look how beautiful this is. Now, with some concealer, I will clean under my eyebrows and put it slowly towards the top of my eye crease. I will finish this part on the other eye off camera. This is how it looks so far. Since I always do my eyeshadows before my foundation, I apply some foundation on top of my eyebrows, so when it's time to do my face, I don't need to go close to them and take a risk to mess them up. After that, I take a buffing brush and blend the edges. Then I will go in between to adjust and blend everything. Now it's time to apply my concealer all over my eyes. Eye primer can be used as well. If I want my eyeshadows to pop, I apply a white concealer instead. The reason why I'm doing this at the end is to reduce the creasing that could happen while finishing the eyebrows. Once I'm done with this, I try to not fully open my eyes and put some translucent powder to have 0 to no crease. I'ma go off camera for the other eye. Here's the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Like, comment your thoughts and suggestions, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon, Bellaz.